Looking to earn extra cash and reach your financial goals faster? Online surveys offer a convenient solution. Discover the top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, Free Cash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashGick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site boasts unique availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When choosing a survey site, consider factors such as reputation, survey frequency, and payout options. Maximize your earnings by completing profiles, seizing free offers, and prioritizing high-paying surveys. Follow best practices like using a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software. Watch out for red flags such as membership fees, lack of reviews, and requests for personal information on potentially illegitimate survey sites. Rest assured, participating in surveys for money is legitimate, with each survey taking about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some platforms even offer instant cash or bonus points. Join now and help companies gather valuable market research and consumer feedback.